This will cure what ails you. The feel like temperature or the heat index is 111. We are toasty down here. So we're gonna make some cherry limeade. Dana here, it is so hot. It is so hot in Alabama right now. And I'm gonna show you something to cool your people off. Are y'all hot where you're at? Y'all tell me what the temperature is gonna be today. Now, where can you get the recipe for cherry limeade? You can get it in my cookbook, What's Cooking with Dana, y'all. It'll come right to your house from Amazon. It's on a huge sale right now. Go get you one. Or if you want one that's autographed, I have some on my store, and I'll put the link to the store below, and you can order it and I'll sign it and send it out to you. And thank you, y'all. It's so sweet that anybody would want an autograph. I appreciate it. And also, you can get it on my cooking app or my meal planning app and my shopping app, and it's called Cooking with Dana, y'all, but it's so much more. It's easy to pull up your recipes. Like, look, last time I made this, I had on the same shirt. What about that? But anyway, you just pull it up and it's easy to do. And if you're going to make it, you can send the stuff to your grocery list. I mean, come on, meal planning and everything. All right, let's make some of this. Y'all, I've got people that work outside during the day and they get hot, and we really have to make sure we take care of them. So I'm going to make a cherry limeade. Now, in my recipe, you can make it for one person, which is what I'm going to do today, or you can make it a big pitcher of it. So today I'll do this, but I'll include the recipe below. If you want the recipe, just type in recipe and I'll send it to you, okay? All right, here we go. We're going to get us a good cup. We're going to put some ice in it. I should have done this before you got here, shouldn't I? Okay, I'm going to just start with about half, so I can see. You know, it's stuck to here. Come on now, you. Okay, there we go. And now we're going to take some lime. Now, if you don't have lime and you just have the lime juice like this, you don't have to put the lime in there. But I think it looks pretty, and I'm going to put it in there, and plus it adds flavor. And also some maraschino cherries, and I'm just going to put a few of those in there. And we're going to pour in some of this because the juice out of here is what we're using. So I'm going to do about 2 tablespoons. And this says to put in there how much you think you'll want. I put 2 tablespoons. What are you going to put? Then I'm going to put about the same amount of my lime juice. Now, if you got fresh, you just go right ahead and use fresh. Then we're going to top it off with our ginger ale. Oh yeah, this is going to be mighty refreshing for those people that come in. And it's so pretty. Don't you love it? And it tastes good. Look at that. Then you got a taste of it and adjust it in case you need more sour or more sweet. Let's see how I did. Oh my, that's so good. This will cure what ails you. Y'all make yourself a cherry limeade. You're going to love it. Hey, tell me where you're at and what the temperature is where you are. And I'm just going to tell you, it's hot as blue blazes here. I know. Y'all send me some cool air. Send it, please. All right. The good Lord loves you, and I love you too. Y'all go have a really good day. Stay cool. Make some cherry limeade. Your family's going to love it. Bye now.